Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to make an extra $1,000 in a month online, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to share some fantastic and practical methods that can help you achieve this financial milestone. Make sure to stick around until the end because we have some exciting bonuses for you. Let's dive right in. Watch the video completely to understand better. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe yours on this channel. The first step in making $1,000 in a month online is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that you can share with others? Finding your niche will not only make the process enjoyable but also set you apart from the competition. Take some time to brainstorm and identify what you can bring to the table. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to monetize your skills. There are various platforms where you can offer your services, such as freelancing websites or online marketplaces. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or social media expert, there's a demand for your skills online. Don't be afraid to showcase your portfolio and actively reach out to potential clients. One of the most effective ways to make money online is through content creation. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast, creating engaging content can attract a dedicated audience. The key is to provide value and solve problems for your viewers. As your content gains traction, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or even selling digital products. Affiliate marketing is another powerful tool to boost your online earnings. By promoting products or services through unique affiliate links, you can earn a commission on every sale made through your referral. Look for products that align with your niche and genuinely add value to your audience. Remember, honesty and authenticity are crucial when it comes to affiliate marketing. In today's digital age, social media is a goldmine for making money online. Take advantage of platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to connect with your audience and drive traffic to your content or products. Consistency is key, so make sure to engage with your followers regularly and offer valuable content that encourages them to share it with others. As promised, here are some bonus tips to help you reach that $1,000 goal even faster. First, consider creating an online course or ebook that dives deeper into your niche. People are always eager to learn, and your expertise can be monetized effectively. Second, explore selling print-on-demand merchandise with your unique designs. Platforms like Printful and Teespring make it easy to get started. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make $1,000 in a month online. Remember, this process takes dedication, hard work, and patience, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, take care and keep hustling.